Hey guys, what's going on? Back with another video. Listen, last week was a pretty good week, man. We up like risking about 5%, 5, 10, up about like 20%, bro. Wrapping up the year, at the end of the month, 20%. And I'm kind of liking risking, taking less trades and risking a high amount, bro. Cause like, it makes sense. Let's just say I take a trade and I risk 5% on one trade. I lose that and I risk another 5% and I make three times as much. Guess what? How much am I up? Minus the five, I'm up like 10% for the month, bro. Like, math just makes sense, bro. So it's like taking bigger risk, kind of like it makes sense, bro. Like based on my trading style, and I don't trade as often, maybe two or three times a month. I'm most definitely seeing some great action, man. And it's all about just being able to take the most probable trades. That's literally it. That's all I'm doing. I'm taking the most probable trades, the trades that make the most sense, trades that I'm looking at. I'm just like, yo, there's no, like, I don't see this going any other way. And that's the the thing that has been changing my trading. Like, I've been taking trades and trades that almost look like what I'm looking for, this, that. Like, now I'm just taking the most perfect trade. Like, I'm taking a trade where it's just like, there's no doubt in my mind that this trade is going to lose. And that is the trades that have been, yielding a good amount for me. And I have a list of things that I look for. Like I'm looking at the charts, and I say this over and over because I want this to be engraved in your brains, bro, your mind. That Hey, listen, when you're looking at a trade, you look at it, you ask yourself questions like, what makes the most sense? What can you see happening in this trade? Where is price most likely to go to? And what's the probability of one thing happening over another? And then when you start, asking yourself these questions, it start making you weed out the terrible trades, the okay trades, the good trades, and this leaves you with like the perfect trade by just asking yourself certain questions and being disciplined enough to just wait on the most, perfect setup and then just go balls and risk like a great amount on that, right? So that is what's been, helping me understand my trading strategy and the way my style of trading. And I'm like a swing trader, and I just trade less, and take, higher risk. But I can't say most definitely that this is really, working out for me in my favor. And just sticking to it is what yields results. And one thing I can say is that when you look at the higher time frame chart and you're saying like where can I see price drawing to and expanding to, it has to be to the point where you only see it going down that way. That's a high probability trade. When you only see it going in one direction, it only makes sense going in one direction. Like I can say when it came to the Euro USD, when price was literally at this weekly area here, I literally said like I only see it going up from here. Like I can't see it going down based on how this pattern looks. It just doesn't look right. JPB CAD, same thing too. Like I was looking at it, I'm like, bro, I don't see this going up. It could, close up, but I really see price continuing to the downside based on, the pattern formation. So with all that talking and stuff like that, let's get into the chart because I know this is what you guys are here for. Nothing else. So let's go. Okay, let's look at XRP. We're good. We don't see anything going on there. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is literally at this level here where you can see. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is actually a good level, right? Let's say let's remove nine drawings, right? And then let's just look at, price for what it is, right? So wait, what's going on here? I'm confused a little bit. I was about to say, where is this is what I'm looking for. Okay, so this is literally what I was looking for. Okay, so looking at price right here, price at this level where we see price plot up from rejection, rejection, rejection. So seems like a sound level. Now, price has given us this, these dojis. What we could possibly see, what makes the most sense for me is a reaction to the downside, right? That's what makes the most sense to me. Um, Now we see that price is, bullish. Price is bullish, so I'm not even interested. I'm straight. So guys, you see, it's like literally just weeding out things like that, like looking at trades and like really just seeing what makes the most sense, what's more probable, and just avoiding which is not, right? That's the whole point of this trading thing, right? So I'm good. I'm good. US 30. I'm good. Nas, I'm good. TJ, I'm good. ADSD. I'm good. USD JPY. I really don't really like this trade. I just don't like how that looks. Honestly, I'm straight. USD. That's trade we're in. No longer looking to take any trades with this. That move already left. We're good. CAD JPY. Let's see. It's up there. We're good. You know what I'm saying? Euro GBP. Which is doing exactly what I said I wanted to do. Daily. Bullish. Daily is bearish. The only one makes sense is price have to go up above here. Break down. Give us a little right head. You know what I'm saying? And continue up. Yeah. NZD CAD. Hmm. NZD CAD. What's going on here? NZD CAD. Bearish. Oh, it's actually bullish. Weekly is bullish. I mean, question is, bro, like pricing off into this area, like I see more likely this happening. To be honest, but just me being honest, feels like price has more. Like it looks on the week, the day looks like it's going down, which it seems. I mean, it does look good going down, but I do believe on the weekly it looks like there's more of a chance of it going up. It's like this. Let me just draw the picture out for you guys, so you guys kind of like understand what I'm saying. Like this looks more probable. Like you know what I'm saying? Like this looks like it's more of a chance of that happening. So I'm straight. Your NZD price came to this level. Price is here. Man, golfing daily. I'm straight. UPUSD. I'm straight. I mean, interesting. Price could continue up. Hmm, interesting. Let's see something. This is a strong level. This is also a strong level here. Right there. This is a strong level. Possibly interested in it. Um, daily. It is bullish. Weekly. The question is, what can I see happening? That's what I'm saying. Like, this is where you start asking yourself question, what can I see happening? Price could, you know, drop down, right? Could do that. Price of bullish currently, or price could wake up. It continue going up, which, you know what I'm saying? Like, let's just color it out and see if this, like, that look like, that does look like there's a possibility of that happening, right? Um, so question is, like, we could see it possibly going up within this area. Prices, bullish here. But what we would want is we would want price to come down here, give us another entry signal, and then continue up. You know what I'm saying? 4 hour. 4 hour would have to shift structure. 4 hour would have to come down here, shift structure, and continue up. That's what the 4 hour would have to do. Do I see that happening? Kind of really how this looks. I mean, we probably keep an eye on it possibly, but not looking the cleanest. There's a trade I was obviously in. And I do believe that, you know, we could possibly start seeing. Hmm, let's see. Let's see what this trade withholds. You know what I'm saying? The daily. Yeah. Let's see what this trade withholds. Baby Jan. Let's remove these. Um, I like to remove the drawings and restart over. To be honest, that's just how I am. I just want to like see the trade for how it's developing. Okay, bomb. We're here, right? All right, cool. There's the reason why the weekly was right now. There's a level two level. Question is, what can I see happening? Could see price, giving a wick and continuing down. That's what I feel like to see happening. Continuing up this way, not really. Price is giving me bearish vibes. Now, price, you know, price is retesting this level here. Price retest this level. Price retest this level. Bomb gave us the morning star formation. Okay, let's invert it. Let's see a little bit. Bomb. Price gives us the morning star formation. Question is, what do I see happening? I do see this happening, right? Price hitting this and then continuing up. Not like a possibility, right? Um, look at the 4 hour. Okay, cool. 4 hours giving us no vibes. Yeah. But for me, what I'm looking for is this right here. Shift the structure here. Why shift the structure here? Um, yeah. Price comes down here, gives a shift the structure here. We look to buy up. Yeah. That's literally what I'm looking for. Price gives us a shift the structure. I'm looking to sell that joint. Um, from there to like the next daily level, just here. Yeah. Oh, this is what I'm looking forward to. Your AUD, I'm good. AUD CAD, prices bullish. I'm good. AUD JPY, I'm good. NGD JPY, I'm here. GPAUD, prices. Bears, daily. I'm good. UJPY, I'm good. UCAD, I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, that's out here. I'm good, bro. Okay, USD Let me just draw a box around here. USD. Like this. No, I'm done with this. Not touching this. We're in consolidation. The PNTD versus bearish. Daily. Alright, bearish. 4 hour. Versus consolidating. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Yeah. So, sad to say, it's the only GPK that I'm interested in. To be honest, literally the only trade that I'm interested in for the coming week. Like we said, you could see, price continuing down to this side. Possibly, like, does that look like something that we can? Does this look like something we can see happening? Right? It looks like something we can see happening, right? That looks like something we can see happening. So that's the reason why I'm interested in this trade. So let's see how it turns out, guys. But nonetheless, have a great week, guys. Thank you so much.